Hi everyone, I am back at another YouTube video. As you can see, the set is now today the set is decorated with a little bit of funness to it. We wanted to change it up. You know, it's interesting. I look at the videos that we shot and I'm always looking at ways of improving it or giving you something visually more enticing. And today we wanted to get a little bit fun with our paper mache watermelon slices that we have and pom-pom garlands that we have decorating in the back set and a llama. And so this theme that I'm doing today is llama inspired. You know, I think there's really great for newborns or baby showers or welcome babies and all that stuff. And I thought that I would bring on a couple of different props and containers to match that theme and make something really cute and fun for you all. If you are watching for the first time, thank you for tuning in. If it's a continuously watching loop that you're watching all my YouTube videos, I hope you're enjoying them as much as I enjoy creating them for you guys. And I'm basically going to start with these containers and then this box. This is an antique ceramic frog. And I don't know if I'm gonna do any arrangements in here. I can if I want to. I might do it if I feel like doing it later on, but I'm gonna put this aside and start with the containers and then all these beautiful blooms that I have, from hydrangeas to spray roses, ranunculus, lisianthus, tulips, and amongst other things, right? So this is really deep, so I've already lined it with some newspaper or sheets of paper, and there's some cellophane, so to give it volume. And I'm gonna take a piece of cellophane, and I'm gonna line it up. And then I'm gonna start with all my hydrangeas. This kind of feels like the Hatbox arrangements that you see trending online. But I've been doing arrangements like this for years. I'm gonna go back and I'm going to do my lisianthus. I'm gonna move this around towards me so I can see this a little bit better, huh guys? There we go. Look at these. I think these are a Japanese variety. I'm just in love with it because it's crinkled and it's not the normal looking lisianthus. They're probably really super expensive, but you know what? It doesn't really matter because you look at this amazing beauty that is created. I'm gonna take the spray roses, tuck a couple in, not too much. And it's pulling in so beautifully. Take my yellows, my buttercreamish, beautiful garden roses. I'm gonna add a couple more, and then I'm gonna go into the ranunculus. And the ranunculus are obviously going to save me, and it's not that I need help in my design, but color-wise, it's gonna start popping everything the way I want it to. And just like this variety is so gorgeous. They almost look faux. And all I'm doing is, you know, the foam is already there. I'm just inserting it into the floral foam that was pre-soaked. Yes, and there's ways of, you know, learning how to do that if you don't know how to do that. Really, these videos are to inspire you with different themes. And hopefully this gets you thinking out of the box. I think this is done. Guys, look how amazing this looks. I'm gonna put this aside, and then I'm gonna take a little bit of water and in And each one the yellow mellow that I did, anyways, I'll talk about it later. Look at this. So these have a very milky stem to it. And the way to solve this is not by mixing it with any other flowers in the water, because it will have the flowers die early. But you can actually take it on top of a hot flame, the stems of it, so that the milk goes away. Here, I'm gonna cut this up. And look at how gorgeous this came out. Let me clean out the table, let me accessorize it, make it all pretty, and come back and show you how amazing this party can be once it's done up, or even the theme of it, like the way you can accessorize it. So wait until I come back. You know, as I realized I was cleaning the table, I really should. There's such gorgeous blooms on the table. Why not do another arrangement? So I apologize for making you and coming back, but I want to do this. This is a ceramic frog, and I'm going to fill it with water. And I'm going to go all the way almost to the rim. And I'm going to take the second one. Do the same. And I'm gonna do it as a tower of flowers. And I'm gonna start with my green blooms first. And this is great. These frogs are great. Like if you have flowers that are cut up and you don't know how to use it correctly, as far as you don't know what to do with the stems. This one, I think, is the perfect solution. So remember, these are really, really short. The stems have to be short, otherwise they will not, stay in their position. If it's long, it doesn't have anywhere to kind of go under, because the ceramic is surrounded with like a little pond, like a pool of lisianthus and water now. I'm gonna take this. There you go. And do that with several of them. And if I feel like I need to cut it any shorter, I can cut it shorter than I have it here. I'm gonna go in like this. I'm gonna try to hurry this up so that we can finish quicker. But look how cute this is turning out, right? Just having this frog and taking a couple of blooms and cutting them shortly and grouping them is coming out to be really beautiful. I'm gonna go back one more, and then I'll go in and do the ranunculus. I'm gonna do one more ranunculus to kind of even it out, spacing wise. And then I'm going to take this beautiful flower, and I'm gonna clean the greens and leave just the blue part. And then I'm going to carefully tuck them in a couple of different places. Not too much, just want that blue color to pop out. Like this. I think one or two more would be perfect. And I'm almost finished with the arrangement. Thank you so much for your patience, guys. And the last of the blooms. There we go. And look how pretty that one is. I can actually even take a little bit of water and put it right here in the center and take a bloom like this, cut it, And just float it right here in the center. Look how pretty that is. One for the great table. Let me style this. Let me clean the table, and then I'll be back to finish off this amazing llama-based inspiration. As we are back, and now you have you've seen everything styled and beautiful. This can be used for many different theme parties, but the llama was the inspiration for this video. But before I leave you guys, I had some questions that you guys had for me in the last episode that I did a Hatbox, and I didn't cover the back, and a lot of you asked me how I can cover the back. So let me show you really quickly. These are large leaves that you could insert in the back of the Hatbox or the box itself, and this should give you the trick. I have one more. So I wouldn't fill it with flowers, I would fill it with greenery, and this will solve the problem. Again, I thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, please do so. Please share, comment, and like the videos. And I look forward to creating new ones for you. Until next time, peace out.